Hello, my name is Ian Kimmer, and I was given the topic, the CSI Effect. But before I get into my presentation, I want to ask you a couple questions that will be presented in my PowerPoint. The first question is, what is the CSI Effect to you? How does the CSI Effect portray people who are convicted, and how do people know that you're convicted when they don't find out the full evidence? And they always want the evidence to come back fast and to make it seem like the criminals are what is hurting the society today. And the second question is, have you ever used the CSI Effect? Where were you when you used the CSI Effect? Were you just volunteering at a court case? Was it during a mock trial? Was it during an actual case? People want the CSI Effect to come so fast that they can just convict somebody when they don't have the full evidence. So, just think about those two questions that I have asked you. Now, we go into my presentation. My introduction. I picked 3 bullet points from my introduction to bring to you today. My first bullet point of introduction is that the CSI shows an effect first brought into when they first aired the CSI shows in 2000. According to the Chicago Tribune, after the CSI Effect started, once CSI Miami came in, then that led to all the other shows like CSI New York, CSI Cyber, NCIS, NCIS, all Los Angeles. Those 4-5 shows are all considered CSI shows. They all do pretty much the same thing, but they have a little twist in the end. All shows are an hour long, and they come to find how people are convicted in the show with only an hour to do it. That brought me to my next slide, which is with the question I asked you. What is the CSI Effect to you? The CSI Effect is what people think they can do to figure out the case faster. People use the television series CSI to convict people in a much better way. But then they also try to do it within an hour. Big court cases are supposed to go days and days and days. Some of these court cases today go a day, an hour, 4 hours. It's not enough. You are trying to convict somebody in 4 hours. How are you supposed to do that? It takes time for the prosecutor and the defendant to try to. The prosecution has to make sure that they have all the right details, and that's what really comes to a factor. Is this, do you have all the right tools? And that brings me to my second part. Do you know what the CSI Effect was? Before I told you what the CSI Effect did, Did you know what it was, or was it just an imagination that you thought it was? People say that the CSI effect is just another way to convict people. More often, people are getting locked up because of people trying to use what they saw from the TV shows. The TV shows, yes, they're really cool, but sometimes it's fictional. They are not the right answers. You can't just bring something from the TV show to a live interaction. Did you know that the CSI effect? Did you know that a lot of people are getting rid of the CSI effect because it's showing that people are using it too much and they're trying to become more locked up and they're trying to give up a new court system. My conclusion. My conclusion says that we should stop and think that we can solve a case just by shooting out evidence and we can just rush everything. Because if you look at regular cases, the stuff comes back, yes, late, but the stuff comes back real. You have to figure out what really happened and what led up to that. You gotta hear both sides of the story, and then you gotta hear what witness says. You can't just judge to conclusion. Yes, you might think you know what happened, but for honest, you really don't. And that's what really hurts us today as a society. We think too much about that we know how the CSI effect works and how we can solve cases. And it's just hard because it's really not a good way to do. So, you don't have to answer these questions now. If you want to let me know what the questions I stated in the beginning of what your opinion is, you can email me at ian.kemmer@centralpenn.edu. I'm sorry, wrong one. It's ian.kemmer@mymail.centralpenn.edu. And let me know what you think is the CSI effect. Because I believe that the CSI effect is something that we have an imagination, and it's just not cool because we are throwing other people in jail, and it's coming to a society where crimes are happening more often. So thank you. Thank you for listening to my presentation. And I hope to hear your emails about what you think the CSI effect is really about. Thank you.